The exponential growth in battery production capacity has led to high demand for continuous innovation and upgrading for battery production processes and higher requirements on slurry mixing equipment. From wet mixing pre-dissolution processes to semi-continuous high-speed dispersion slurry mixing processes, and from cycling slurry mixing processes to twin-screw slurry mixing processes. Mixing equipment is constantly evolving to match the production needs of different processes. Going beyond dual planetary slurry mixer, ONGOAL developed and launched high-efficiency slurry mixing system and twin-screw continuous slurry mixer, becoming one of the few companies in the industry mastering 3 kinds of slurry mixing equipment at the same time. The dual planetary slurry mixer comes with a twist pedal structure whose concentric distance is strictly controlled and gear gap is optimal to ensure minimal swing gap. Pedals rotate without repeating trajectory, ensuring uniform mixing without blind spot to improve slurry homogeneity. With high viscosity kneading capability, it allows a high solid content range of 55% to 90%. The decentralized modular design of the high-efficiency slurry mixing system adopts a multi-layer stacking structure, which can achieve capacity from 100 liters to 3,000 liters, or even larger, to solve the bottleneck of production capacity. The system designs separate channels for mixing and dispersing functions, and material gets wet and thinned before mixing and discharged to prevent clogging, backflow, and overload. The structure of special dispersion plate ensures the slurry enter a full infiltrating and dispersing state. It increases filling rate of the dispersion zone to 100% without foaming, which greatly improves the efficiency and reduces cycle times. To achieve higher quality for battery slurry, ONGOAL Tech has newly developed and launched a twin-screw slurry mixer that integrates conveying, mixing, dispersing, and exhausting functions. The system uses a batch slurry mixing process with continuous feeding and batch discharge that bring more stable dynamic metering accuracy, shorter screw length, and much lower maintenance difficulties and costs. It addresses issues such as the high risk of dynamic metering systems, the difficulty of controlling metal contamination, and high investment costs. By adopting the homogeneous kneading twin screw and a variety of sizes of threaded block, the mixer subjects the material to roller pressure and gradient reverse speed, which brings an A-shaped conveying channel so that the material is fast and evenly mixed and dispersed. ONGOAL Tech, with its one-stop solutions for intelligent battery manufacturing, is blazing the trail for slurry mixing equipment innovation.